Yeah, really.
7, 8.
That's the gal.
You're heavy. No jump. No more jumping. No more jumping. It's clear water. Okay.
I see your underwear.
Okay,
I see your underwear. Yeah.
In my cold belly.
Jaden, what are you doing?
Hey, how you do Shrek jump? How you do Shrek jump? Hey, Jaden, Shrek jump.
Jake, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's clear. I think that's clear. 1, 2, 3. Don't wipe off my teeth. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3,
Oh, yeah.
Here, go. I'm not.
Oh, drop. Where's your towel? You going to dry off? Right here.
Oh, right here. Right.
So you don't get cold. Come here. Come here.
Mommy.
Yeah.
I've been mommy. Yeah.
Hey, pants on the ground. Hey, crazy kid. What are you doing?
You got pants on the ground?
Alexis. I'm videotaping you.
Oh, okay.
Jordania that left the phone in her pocket and went swimming. Ooh, a motel. What? Your mama?
There's bugs in the pool? Oh, man. Yeah. Yeah. There's bugs in there? Well, my goodness, what we gonna do?
Get them out.
Get them out. You got bugs in it?
Bugs in it?
Yeah.
Well, get them out.
Stay out. Stay out. Stay out. Stay out.
You're staying on it.
Yeah. Bye. Put your hand in there. Put your hand in there.
Jaden,
Look, put your hand.
I see your underwear. Ooh, I see your underwear.
Oh, come here, come here. You're lazy.
Oh. Come here, let me fix your pants. Come here, let me fix your pants.
Come on, you all.
Throw it in the trash. Throw it away.
Huh?
Throw it away.
Okay, go this way. Go this way. Dad. Dad.
Alright, now go throw it away.
I want some more.
I know, go throw it away.
Go throw it away.
I think he was a pony in his past life. He gallops everywhere.
Careful. Careful. Don't fall down and break your face.
You're gonna fall down and crack your nugget.
No.
That's nasty.
No.
Let me see your funny face. Hey Jaden, let me see your stink eye. Look at me. Look at me. Hey. Jaden. Let me see your stinky eye. Let me see your mad face. Jaden.
Hey, hey, hey. Stop. You're going to fall down and hurt yourself. That's a bee. Stop.
Come here. Let me see your mad face.
Quit telling your mad face.
Ooh, you get up close.
Cheese.
You say hi to Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Say I love you.
I love you. Let's talk to her.
You gonna talk to her?
No.
No, you don't want to talk to Mama? You don't? You want to go swimming?
No.
No? You want to go jump?
Oh, no.
Oh no?
Yeah.
Whoa, careful.